Good evening, everyone. How are you all? Your support is there with me. But I want more support from you. That's why do the subscription of this channel. Grow English and improve your English. As well, please like this video. If you like, comment and share. Today's topic is very interesting. It is for the speaking also as well for the competitive exam also. So just give more attention towards the video and let's bring your mark which is depend upon this topic. Okay, today's topic is article. आर्टिकल मध्ये काय आहे? अतिशय सोपा टॉपिक आहे आणि त्यामधला रूल लक्षात आला की नक्कीच त्याच्यावरचे तुमचे मार्क्सही आणि बोलणंही अतिशय सोपं होणार आहे. शंका ठेवू नका, विश्वासाने लक्षात ठेवा आणि विश्वासाने शिका. मराठी येते ही इंग्रजी सुद्धा येणारच. तर लक्ष द्या, काय आहे हा टॉपिक? आर्टिकल. जनरली बिफोर लर्निंग आपल्याला एक छोट्या छोट्या गोष्टी माहित आहेत. ए कुठे वापरा, ॲन कुठे वापरा आणि द कुठे वापरा. द चा वापर एखादी स्पेशल गोष्ट दाखवायची असेल तर वापरायची असते असं आपल्याला माहित असेल. ए कुठं वापरायचंय? जर स्वर सोडून एखादा शब्द आलेला असेल, इट मीन्स विच वर्ड स्टार्ट्स विथ कॉन्सनंट, तर तिथे ए वापरा. म्हणजे एखादं नाऊन जर कॉन्सनंटने सुरू होत असेल, व्यंजनाने सुरू होत असेल इंग्लिश मधल्या, तर त्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही ए वापरावं. त्याचबरोबर जर ते स्वराने म्हणजे ओवेल्सनी जर सुरू होत असेल तर तिथे ॲन वापरावं. अशी जनरल माहिती तुम्हाला काही प्रमाणात असेल. पण हिअर इज द डीप इन्फॉर्मेशन विच गिव्स यू आउट ऑफ मार्क्स फॉर इन युअर एक्झाम. ओके, लेट्स सी. कॉन्सनंट अँड ओवेल. Consonant and vowel, that much only not there. Which sounds like a vowel, which sounds like a consonant. So that one is important. Sound is important. So that's why here I wrote on the board A B C D. I know all you know the ABCD. Why I'm going to teach you ABCD and all. But in this one, very important question is hidden. Okay. Let's see. Let's focus. Here, red marks are the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. These alphabets are vowels, which sounds like a vowel. That's why we are saying vowels to them. Okay. So, if any noun starts with A, so before that one, we are using an apple, which starts from A and sound also like a only. So that's why before that one we are using an apple. Similarly, with other vowels also, the same examples we can carry out. Same way, you can see O. O for orange. I ate an orange. O. Here sound is like a O. A and O, the same words have swar or vowels. That's why before the orange word an article we are using or you have to use. Similarly with other alphabets also. Elephant. I saw an elephant. So E word is there. Elephant starts with E and the same pronunciation like a vowel sound. That's why before E also an is there. Okay, next one is there. Same way I also there. I ate an ice cream. I ate an ice cream. Same way before I used an. Okay, now according to me, just we are focusing that words with that spellings only. But some words are which starts from consonants, but their sound is like a vowel, like Which words are that one? That words are different. So that words we have to refer. Mostly our word. H-O-U-R. That word starts with H. Where is H? Here. Starts with H. But pronunciation like a, our. A. Our we are saying. So before that one, we have to use and. According to sound it is there. And. As well, honest. Honest. Honest word is there. So that word start with H. Pronunciation not like a her. Like a horse. Horse का spelling देखो HORSE. Pronunciation like a her. But honest का spelling देखेंगे तो उसमें क्या समझ में आएगा? Honest में उसका pronunciation honest ओ से हो रहा है और ओ जो है वो किस में है? ओवेल्स में है. सो ओवेल साउंड जो होता है उसके पहले क्या लगाना है? एन. सो दिस वे यू हैव टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट नॉट ओनली ऑन द वर्ड स्पेलिंग but you have to concentrate more on the sound of that word. If sound is like vowel, before that one you have to use and. If sound is like a consonant, before that one you have to use a. One more rule is there in this one. We are using a and an before a before consonant and before vowel. MBBS. This is the MBBS. Now example you can just consider the example. MBBS. As well, other examples also we can see. BA and MBBS. What are the difference? These two are the short forms. Abbreviations are there. So in this one, M, B, B, S and B, A. See the spelling and see these two are the short forms. Before short forms also we are using the article. Now which article we have to use? The spelling starts with M but pronunciation like M, A. So that's why before that one an MBBS. And BA, B and A. First word is B which starts with consonant. Consonant it means A. Similarly R, yes. R. So A word क्या आएगा? An RSS. The same question is referred in the competitive exam. Many times just we are following these words like a, consonant starts with consonant, A put करो. Or starts with vowels, an करो. But it is not like that way. If sound is different, then according to sound, article is used. It is a small rule which we learned today and I hope you understand that all. And according to same the rule, if you want to know or want to learn, then please subscribe my channel, like this video, comment on this one, and if you have any query, you can contact me directly. Thank you.